Assalamu alaikum everybody. Today we are going to continue with our same chapter, money, that we started yesterday. And yesterday we learned about the conversion of rupees into paisa and paisa into rupees. Now today we will look into addition and subtraction. We are having three operations in this chapter. In today's video we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of amounts or money. Okay, now I'll write two examples here continuously that in which we have to do addition operation, then we will solve it. It is very simple, as we already did the chapter of addition and subtraction. It is going to be very easy for you. Okay, so your first question will be rupees 45.55 plus rupees 39.55. This is your first question. Fine. Next, we'll look into a a bigger amount, that is rupees 147 point after point whatever we are writing is paisa, 84 paise. Rupees 147.84 paise, rupees 39.55 paise, rupees 45.55 paise. Then we are going to add it to rupees 710.10 paisa. For paisa we are not writing a p over there. Fine. Now these two questions we are going to solve for addition. Then after that we'll go for subtraction. Very simple, because I hope you are perfect in addition and subtraction. Now these two operations are for addition. Plus sign is there. Very simple. Now here, when we were adding the common numbers, like in the chapters we did 4, 3, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. How was it? We were using ones, tens, 100,000, ones, tens, 100,000, and then again ones, tens, 100,000, and we used to substitute these values into the places. Thousands ki place pe 4, hence 3, 2, 1, thousands ki place pe 1. Like this we used to substitute while doing addition subtraction. Here also it is something similar but little bit changed. As here we are having two different values. The value before the point is rupees and the value after the point is paisa. So while adding and subtracting also you will make two different columns for rupees and for paisa. Like, better when you are doing, use color pencils. We used to write ones, tens, 100, but here we are going to write rupees and paisa. Put a dot. P will be small. Okay. Now, under rupees column you will write all the amount that is for rupees, and under paisa column you will write all the amounts that is for paisa. Now see here. This is 45 rupees, so it will come in rupees 45. Dot will come below the dot. All the dots should come below each other. Then after dot is 55 paisa. Now next is rupees 39.50. 39, 2 digit only, put one below the other, no problem. Point is there, point should come below the point, below the point, below the point. This side is rupees column, this side is paisa column, and 55 paisa only again. Now we wrote the numbers in the columns. Now we will add. Put the addition symbol and do the addition. Come on. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 is a 2-digit number. So you are going to write 0 here and carry 1. How you were doing in common addition, you used to carry in the number in the very next line. Next place pe aap number likhte the. Similarly here also you are going to put the carry in the very next line. 1. Now add. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Again 11 is 2 digit. 1 you will write here. And 11 hai. Ones place we are writing here. Now this one that you have to carry you will again write it in the next place. Same as addition, common addition that we did. Bas itna hi hai ki here point is there, you should ignore the point and you should put the addition here only. But listen carefully. ये ones place, ये tens, this is ones place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place, वो तो wrong हो जाता. It is not. This is पैसा column, this is rupees column. अगर आप इसको ones पढ़ेंगे, tens पढ़ेंगे, hundreds, thousand पढ़ेंगे, that will go wrong. Okay? But still, while adding, you will put the carry to the next numbers or the numbers in the next row. Now, 5 plus 1 will be 6, or easy 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 5 will be 15. Dot below dot, 15 you got, put 1 carry and 5 here. Now, 4 plus 1 will be 5 and 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. 8 is your answer. So what is the total answer? Your total answer is rupees 85.10 paisa. For paisa, you are not going to write P. Okay? Now, next question. Same. Put a rupees column, keep a space, put a dot, put a paisa column. Now, substituting the values. Here we are having a 3-digit number. So every digit will be one below the other. 147. Then a dot is there, a dot. Then paisa column, 84 paisa. Now here, in the next question, you are having 710. 710 dot 10 paisa. Dots below dots, this below this. Just remember here one thing. If suppose, my question was, suppose 7 nahi rehta yahan par agar. If 7 was not there, how will you write? Here is 3 digit, here is 2 digit. So aap kaisa karte the? Like this you will write 10 or 7 ke niche ki place you will leave it like that only? No. You always start from the right side. If there is any question, just from 3 digits you have to add 2 digit, start after the point. Point se pehle 0, then after before point, before point you are having 0, then after 0 you are having 1. Write like this. Put the points, then substitute the values. But in this question you are having 7 over here, so I'll add the 7. Do the addition. Addition easy. Already you are perfect with it. 4 plus 0, 4. 8 plus 1, 9. See here, no carrying work came here. Very easy. Here we did the carry. 7 plus 0, 7. 4 plus 1, 5. 7 plus 1, 8. Your answer is rupees 857.94 paisa. 94 you should not say, you should say 94 because it is money, it is amount. I hope this addition you understood. Same to our previous addition chapter. Once tens place, you will not write the place value, you will put rupees column dot paisa column. In rupees column write rupees numbers, in below the dots put the dots, in paisa column put paisa's amount. Add it. While adding, if carrying is coming like we used to do in previous works, take the carry in the next row. Take the carry in the next row. Take the carry in the next row. Okay? And suppose from 3 digit you are getting a 2 digit number, don't get confused. You put the dots and then substitute the dots. Before dot it was 0, then before dot 1. Write like that. It will be much easier. Now I'll put 2 questions for subtraction. Okay. 56.17. 56.17 subtracted to 15 rupees 15.67. Okay. Then one more question I'll add with a 3-digit number. $214.35. Rupees 214.35 plus, subtraction. See, you should be careful with the signs. 104, 104. Fine. Okay. 104.75. Now that's the two amounts we are having. Same as we did over here, just the thing is you are going to do subtraction instead of addition. Come on. So let's begin. Rupees column dot paisa column. Substitute the values. 56 dot below dot 17, 15 dot below dot 67. Subtraction sign. Now do the subtraction. 7 minus 7. When the number is subtracted with the same number, 7 minus 7, 7 take out 7 fingers. फिर पूरे 7 remove all the 7 fingers, you are getting 0. Your answer will be 0 here. Next. 1 minus 6. Take out 1 finger. From this, can you subtract 6? From 1, can you subtract 6? No. So here what you have to do? Here we did carrying. Here you have to do a borrow. So from where you will borrow? You will borrow from the number in the next row. So this 6 will become 5. It will give 1 over here. 6 अपने पास से एक point निकाल के, एक number निकाल के, it is giving 1 borrowing over here. So this 6 में से एक चले गया, we are removing 1. So, and it will become 5. Now this has become 2 ones means 11. Now 11 minus 6. You can't take out 11 fingers, so at least count from 6 to 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 is coming, 5 numbers. So 11 minus 6 will be 5. Dot. Now 5 you are having. This 6 is striked off. Forget it now. From this 5, 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 1, 5 fingers, remove 1, 4. What is your answer? Rupees 40.50 paisa is your answer. Now that side. Same only, just a 3-digit number I took. No change. Come on. 214 point below point 35, then 104 below point then paisa. Subtraction sign. I hope you can see. Come on. Let's do the subtraction. 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 7. Take out 3 fingers. Can you subtract 7? No, because 3 is a smaller number, 7 is a bigger number. So what you will do? You will borrow again. This 4 will give 1 and 4 will become 3. Now 13 minus 7. You can't take out 13 fingers. You don't have that many. But you can count forward from 7, leaving 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 6 is coming. See here, 7 plus 6 will be 13 only. So our answer is correct. What I did? We can't take out 13 fingers. So that's why what I did, after leaving 7, I counted till 13. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers are there? 6. So we'll write 6 over here. Dot. Don't forget the dots. Then 3 minus 4. Not possible. Again borrow. This 1 will become 0 and it will give 1 over here. Now this became 13. 13 minus 4. You can't take out 13 fingers, but at least you can count from 4. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm holding chalks, that's why it's very difficult to take out the fingers. So the number is 9. Now, 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 1 will be 1. So your amount is, after subtraction, 109.60 paisa. This is addition and subtraction of amounts. Here we did first 2 examples additions. These 2 are subtraction. Got it? I hope it's clear. Very simple. It is just a practice of addition and subtraction operations. Thank you.